Under the warm sun, vast cotton fields stretch across the horizon where skilled workers operate powerful mechanical harvesters to gently collect fluffy white cotton bolls. At the bustling cotton gin facility, raw harvested bolls are transformed through powerful rotating machinery that carefully separates pure cotton fibers from seeds, producing clean. Inside the factory receiving bay, raw materials are carefully unloaded by experienced workers and staged for the first processing stages. The journey from nature is now officially underway in this highly efficient production ecosystem. Once unloaded, the raw materials begin their internal journey deep inside the massive Pampers facility. Conveyor systems and coordinated forklift movements efficiently transport cotton bales. Wood chips harvested from sustainable forests are now transported via long internal conveyor networks throughout the facility. This efficient movement ensures a continuous supply reaches the pulping section. Synthetic polymers derived from crude oil arrive in pellet form and are carefully transported through specialized weight inside the 5 properties that make Pampers baby wipes reliable and effective for delicate skin. At the central merging station inside the Pampers plant, different raw materials transported from various parts of the facility finally come together. Cotton, wood pulp, and polymers are merged in. Highly efficient automated guided vehicles take over internal transport duties, moving large batches of prepared raw materials across the expansive factory floor with precision. This logistics system,
From elevated walkways, operators maintain full oversight as raw materials continue their controlled transport journey through the heart of the facility. Every bale, chip helped.
This is the state-of-the-art Pampers manufacturing facility where raw materials from around the world are transformed into gentle baby wipes. Every day it's a skill grant to begin the precise production process that millions of parents trust. Workers arrive at the main factory entrance, scan their badges, and step inside the controlled environment. This disciplined entry process ensures hygiene and safety standards are maintained throughout the entire baby wipes production journey. Before entering the production zones, every worker goes through strict changing and PPE protocols. This critical step maintains the highest cleanliness standards required for manufacturing safe and gentle Pampers baby wipes. Stepping onto the main production floor, workers join the continuous flow of the factory. Here, raw materials that arrived earlier now meet the skilled team that will guide them through cleaning, processing, and transformation into finished baby wipes. Raw materials move seamlessly from the external receiving area directly into the heart of the factory. This efficient design minimizes handling and maintains material quality as cotton, pulp, and polymers prepare for their first processing stage. Every person and every material passes through strict security and quality checkpoints. This ensures absolute hygiene and consistency, vital requirements when producing baby wipes that will touch the most delicate skin. Having successfully entered the facility, raw materials and workers are now positioned at the beginning of the actual manufacturing process. The initial cleaning and sorting stage. The initial cleaning stage begins as tightly compressed cotton bales are automatically opened and mixed with wood pulp chips. This careful first step releases the raw fibers and prepares them for thorough cleaning. Powerful air jets and vacuum systems thoroughly remove dust, dirt, and unwanted particles from the raw fibers. This critical cleaning process guarantees the high hygiene. On vibrating sorting screens, fibers are precisely separated by size and quality. Only the finest, cleanest fibers are removed to seed, while the premium quality that defines every Pampers baby wipe. In the fiber opening and blending station, different materials are gently fluffed and perfectly mixed together. This creates a home pulp that will deliver the ideal softness and absorbency required in high-quality Pampers baby wipes. The raw materials have now completed their transport journey across the vast Pampers facility and stand at the gateway of Advanced Manufacturing Hub. Everything is perfectly positioned for the next critical stages of baby wipe production. Carding machines carefully align and organize the blended fibers into thin, even webs. This precise alignment is essential for creating the consistent non-woven structure that gives Pampers baby wipes their strength and gentle touch. Multiple thin webs are carefully layered to achieve the perfect thickness and density. This multi-layer structure forms the foundation of the non-woven fabric that will become the soft, strong, and highly absorbent base of every Pampers baby wipe. With thorough cleaning and sorting now complete, the prepared fiber material is ready for the heart of the production process. This marks the transition from raw inputs to the more where fibers will be bonded. In the core processing stage, the cleaned and layered fiber bat now undergoes its most important transformation. Here, the loose fibers are bonded together to create a strong yet the foundation of Pampers baby wipe. Precise thermal bond applies controlled heat non-woven sheet. This critical step gives the fabric the perfect balance of strength, softness, and durability required for safe baby wipe use. The spunlace process uses powerful high-pressure water jets to mechanically entrangle the fibers without chemicals. This creates the signature ultra-soft texture and excellent effective and gentle on baby skin. After bonding, the fabric must be carefully cooled and stabilized. This prevents any distortion and prepares the material for the next high-pressure process that will enhance its softness and cleaning ability. Advanced drying systems carefully remove all excess moisture while preserving the fabric's softness. Precise moisture control at this stage ensures the final baby wipes have the perfect feel and performance when they reach consumers. Automated vision systems and precision trimming ensure every meter of fabric meets strict quality standards. Only flawless non-woven material continues forward in the production of Pampers baby wipes. The core processing stage reaches its conclusion as the continuous non-woven fabric is precisely wound under perfect tension into massive jumbo rolls.
Aligning now, steady down, roll is seated, release crane. Initiate.
Here, the high-quality non-woven fabric is carefully unwound at precise tension and speed. Precision slitting machines cut the wide non-woven web into exact narrower lanes according to the final wiped inside. This accurate cutting ensures uniformity of product efficiency and maximum transformation. The signature Pampers lotion is now precisely applied to the fabric. This gentle formula, specially developed for baby, distributed to provide moisture, soothing care, and effective cleaning power in every single wipe. Embossing rollers gently press a textured pattern onto the moist fabric. This not only improves the wipe's cleaning performance by better holding and distributing lotion, but also gives it the premium soft feel parents expect from Pampers baby wipes. At this stage, the continuous moist fabric is cut into individual wipe sheets with extreme precision and speed. Hundreds of perfectly sized sheets are produced every minute, each one destined to cut Pampers baby wipe. The individual sheets are now neatly folded and stacked into exact counts. This automated folding process creates compact, easy-to-use stacks that maintain moisture and softness until the moment a parent opens the package. The main transformation stage is now complete. Individual moist, soft, and perfectly cut baby wipes have been created from raw fibers. They are ready for the final precision finishing, quality control. Entering the high-tech automation systems phase, the folded wipe stacks are now handled entirely by advanced robotics. These precision systems ensure gentle contamination at high speed. In this advanced flow wrapping station, each stack of wipes is automatically encased in Pampers' signature, soft plastic packaging. Automated labeling and coding systems apply accurate product information, barcodes, and traceability codes at incredible speed. Vision cameras verify every way full compliance and quality before the packages move further in the automated production line. High-speed robotic case packers automatically arrange the finished wipe packages into shipping cases with perfect accuracy. This advanced automation reduces human handling, increases efficiency. Automated case sealers and strappers ensure every shipping case is securely closed and reinforced. This final preparation step guarantees that the Pampers baby wipes reach stores and homes in perfect condition, protected throughout transportation. Advanced robotic palletizing systems stack the cases into stable, efficient pallet loads using optimized patterns. This high-tech automation ensures maximum stability for shipping while minimizing manual labor in the final stages of Pampers baby wipes manufacturing. In the precision finishing lines, every individually wrapped Pampers soft pack, high-resolution cameras and sensors check seal squad alignment and overall appearance to guarantee that only perfect packs proceed further in the production process. Precision cartoning systems now group the individual Pampers soft packs into multi-unit cartons designed for retail shelves. This automated process ensures accurate count, proper orientation, and attractive presentation for consumers. Precision cartoning systems group the individual Pampers soft packs into retail cartons. The rectangular flip-top design remains perfectly protected and aligned throughout the process. Cartons are securely sealed and coated with essential production information. This ensures full traceability while protecting the Pampers soft packs inside. With finishing complete, the process now moves into final quality control and laboratory testing before storage and distribution. In the quality control laboratory, random samples of finished Pampers soft packs are collected for rigorous testing. Every batch must pass strict checks to ensure the wipes are safe, moist, and gentle for baby skin. Specialized equipment measures the exact moisture level in every wipe. Maintaining perfect moisture is essential so the wipes stay fresh, effective, and gentle without drying out or becoming too wet. Wipes are tested for strength and durability. They must be strong enough to clean effectively but soft enough not to irritate delicate baby skin, a critical balance in Pampers quality standards. pH level and skin compatibility tests ensure the lotion and fabric are perfectly balanced and safe for newborn and infant skin. Only wipes that pass these sensitive tests are approved for release. Strict microbiological testing confirms the wipes are completely free from harmful bacteria. This final safety check is vital to maintain the trusted quality of Pampers baby wipes. After passing all laboratory tests, the batch receives final approval. Only then are the Pampers baby wipes cleared for storage. With quality control successfully completed, the finished Pampers baby wipes now move into final storage. The journey from raw materials to ready-to-use product is almost complete. The finished pallets are carefully stored in the vast climate-controlled warehouse. Here, thousands of Pampers baby wipes await dispatch while maintaining perfect temperature and humidity for maximum freshness. When orders arrive, specific pallets are picked from storage and moved to the loading area. This efficient system ensures the right quantity of Pampers baby wipes reaches customers exactly when needed. Pallets of finished Pampers baby wipes are loaded into delivery trucks with great care. This final handling ensures the product travels safely from factory to retail stores across the country and beyond. Loaded trucks leave the facility carrying Pampers baby wipes to families everywhere. From raw cotton fields and forests to the finished product, Every step has been carefully controlled for quality and safety. And this is how modern factories produce Pampers baby wipes from start to finish, combining natural materials, advanced technology, and strict quality control to deliver gentle care for babies around the world. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.